Hello everyone and welcome back to TAL, also known as Teach as We Learn. Today I'm going to be teaching you about how to multiply polynomials. So let's begin. So I'm going to teach you polynomials with the box method or like an area model because I find that to be the easiest, especially when we're learning any concept. So let's begin. So first thing, I can see that there are four different, right, there's x, 5, yeah. And our purpose is to multiply them. We want to multiply x by x, x with 2, and then 5 with x, and so on. But instead of doing all of that, what we can do is simply draw a box. So I'll just, draw a box like this. And then I will just put these letters above it. So x plus 5 be here. Then I'll put x plus 2 here. No specific order, but just make sure this phrase has to go in one side and this phrase has to go on the other. And then I will draw my 4 boxes. That's the fun part. And then you just start multiplying like normal, like how we would multiply polynomials. What thing to maybe help is to add our exponent 1 already. So x times x is x, and then our 1 plus 1 would add up to be 2. Remember, the reason that I got the 1 is whenever we have a variable and it doesn't have any exponent to it, we can put an imaginary 1 because it's basically just doing x, right? Nothing times x, but just x. But anyway, then we have x times 5, and we get 5x. Then we have 2 times x, and we get 2x. And then we have 2 times 5, and we get 10. So this thing is, do you notice how 5x and 2x are the same variable, right? So we would just quickly add that, and we would get 7x. Now, just write all these numbers. So the answer to that equation is x squared plus 7x plus 10. Take the time to settle that in, but that's literally it. I will do another practice problem just to sort of get the idea of it. So we can have minus 3 and maybe 2x plus 4 this time. So again, we'll just make our box and write it. So x minus 3 and 2x plus 4. Then draw the 4 boxes. So first, what we're going to do is multiply 2x with x. And we get 2x, right? And then we have those exponents, which I'll actually do in red. We have those imaginary 1 as our exponents. And again, I explained that already. But remember, since there's nothing being no exponent, we put a 1 as that's the only thing we multiply. So x 1 plus 1 would be 2. So 2x 2. Then we're going to multiply 2x with minus 3. So 2 times minus 3 is negative 6, and then we put that x. Now what we're going to do is multiply 4 with x. And we get 4 times x as 4, and that 1, but you can also put it without it. Then what we're going to do is multiply minus 3 times 4. 4 minus 3 is minus 12. Then again, I have to simplify these two as this is an x and this is an x, and I get minus 2x. So my answer is going to be 2x squared minus 2x minus 12. And that's your answer. So this is it for today's video. Quite short and simple. But I hope you understand more of the box and box method. Anyway, see y'all later.